In this video, I show you how to fix Instagram story restyle. Something went wrong. Instagram story restyle not working problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, update your Instagram app. Go to Play Store, search Instagram. Up to date your Instagram app if available any update version. Then go to settings. Then go to apps. Then go to see all apps. Now search for Instagram. Click on it. Click on force stop. Click on OK. Now click on storage and cache. Clear cache. Then clear storage. Then delete. Now open Instagram app. Now see that this problem is solved or not. If this method not working, go to Chrome. Now search Instagram down. Click on down detector. You can see that Instagram some service are down, like story restyle. Some user facing this problem. So wait until fix this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.